In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block searches on Safari. This process is essential for those who want to limit web searches on their devices, especially for children. While Safari does not have a direct setting to disable searching entirely, you can effectively restrict web searches using the screen time feature. This will help you manage what content can be accessed on your iPhone or iPad. Let's get started. First, you will need to open the Settings app on your device. This is the app that looks like a gear icon, typically found on your home screen. Once you tap on it, you will be directed to a menu with various options related to your device's configuration. This step is crucial because all further adjustments will be made from within the Settings app. By accessing Settings, you ensure that you have control over the features and restrictions available on your device. Next, look for the option labeled Screen Time and tap on it. This feature provides insights into how the device is used and allows you to set restrictions. If you have not previously set up screen time, you may be prompted to do so. This is an important step because it enables you to manage your usage effectively, ensuring that the device serves your intended purpose. After tapping on screen time, you will see different options to customize your settings. Now tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions and turn it on. This option is essential because it gives you the ability to block access to specific content types. Once you switch this setting on, you'll notice a range of options will become available to you. This is significant as it allows you to tailor the level of access based on your preferences. With content and privacy restrictions activated, you are one step closer to managing web searches on Safari. From there, tap on App Store, Media, Web, and Games, then select Web Content. This section allows you to specify what type of web content can be accessed on your device. It's a straightforward process that leads you to various filtering options. This step is vital because it directly influences what websites can be visited, thereby controlling web searches. Next, you will need to choose one of the following options. The first is Allowed Websites Only. By selecting this option, only approved websites can be visited, effectively limiting web searches. This is particularly useful for ensuring that only safe and appropriate content is accessible. The second option is Limit Adult Websites. This filters adult content and enables safe search for supported search engines. You can also add specific websites to the Never Allow list. This flexibility allows you to customize the browsing experience to best fit your needs. Please note that Safari doesn't provide a built-in option to completely disable the search bar or prevent all searches. This is an important point to remember as it clarifies the limitations of the browser. The closest built-in solution is using screen time to restrict which websites can be accessed. This means you are not entirely removing the search functionality but managing it effectively. Once you have made your selections, make sure to exit the Settings app. Your changes will be saved automatically. With these restrictions in place, you can feel confident that your device is now tailored to limit web searches in a way that meets your requirements. This process will help maintain a safer browsing environment for users, especially children. In conclusion, by using screen time to manage web content, you have taken a significant step toward controlling the browsing experience on Safari. With these measures implemented, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that access to unwanted or inappropriate content is limited. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up your device.